Brexit. Britain's exit from the European Union. In 2019, United Kingdom made this major decision of exiting from European Union. But what is European Union? Well, European Union, just like United Nations, was an organization or a group of countries exclusively for the Europe so they can come together and promote peace, trade and prosperity amongst the region. And European Union has really been successful in doing so. As you can see, there is barely any enmity between European countries. But what led to the thing that United Kingdom had to quit European Union? Well, first of all, let's understand how European Union operates. Well, the member countries of European Union have one common currency, the euro. European Union has a separate parliament present. Yes, that's right. European Union has a separate parliament and is kind of acting as an independent country. All members of European Union have their rights, whether they want to select the decisions, choose these decisions made by European Union or not. Just for example, before 2019, when UK used to be a part of this European Union, a rule came out that euro would be the collective currency of member countries. But many countries like Denmark, UK declined this and came up with new currencies. And as you all know, UK currently has pound sterling as their currency. So European decisions made by European Unions were always not at all forceful, but some decisions were forceful. In the refugee crisis happening in Europe, European Union made this decision that each and every country would have to intake refugees based upon their population. Citizens of United Kingdom didn't really like this because they thought these refugees would come over and take their jobs. So a poll was held in United Kingdom to ensure that what do the people want, and 52% of the people voted that they want to leave European Union. Because majority of the votes were in favor, the Great Brexit happens, which means the Great Britain exited from European Union. But how has it impacted UK? And is everyone satisfied with it? No. The answer is in the vote poll, most of the votes for no, that UK should not leave European Union came from Scotland. And people in Scotland were extremely unhappy upon this decision. So people of Scotland are very unhappy right now. Plus UK has also impacted, their economy has been impacted. Why? Because the reason is, earlier when they were part of European Union, there was constant trade between these countries, limitless trade, and people could just go over there and come back here for job opportunities. All of this stopped, and now people of UK are also starting to regret their decisions. Thank you.